All right, we have our deep fried baked potatoes. I'm gonna come in with some cooked ground beef, and we are gonna fill up our potatoes with our ground beef. We want these to be stacked, so we are just going to put it right on top, just like so. You can do whatever meat you like. You could do a pulled chicken, a pulled pork, but I think ground beef is just gonna taste amazing with that potato. Perfect. And now we are gonna grab our barbecue sauce. I'm using the Kinder's barbecue sauce, and we are just gonna smother these potatoes with barbecue sauce. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you like. This is gonna be a nice barbecue dish. Right on top of that, we're gonna grab our mild cheddar. Oh my gosh, these smell so good. I cannot wait any longer. I just want to eat them right now. And you can use whatever cheese you like, but you know cheddar goes best with barbecue. Okay, just like so. All right, now we're gonna grab some sour cream. Just keeps getting better and better. I don't know why that went all wackadoodle on me. That's how I wanted it to go. Look at that, amazing. All right.
They smell fantastic.
Jalapenos, we gotta add the heat. Obviously, if you don't like jalapenos, you can skip them. Just kind of get it stuck to that sour cream. Oh, yeah. Okay, almost done here. Last but not least, we're gonna add some pico on top of our baked potatoes, just like so. I know I'm getting a little messy here, but what is a baked potato without a little mess and little overload of toppings, right, babe?
Yeah, exactly. This looks fantastic.
All right, it is time to dig into this. We're gonna cut right in between. Look at that. All that potato. All right, let's give it a try. Okay.
Is it good?
I could eat that every day. You gotta try it.